What up? It's your boy, Skinny Penis. Just kidding. We just made it to Vegas. We are getting our drinks at the bar. We are at the Flamingo Hotel and it's so freaking cute. You can't really see much, but there's a giant flamingo over there. And it's great. Already so happy. I've only been here for like an hour. Shane and Mariah are in the room. We're gonna go catch up with them later. And yeah, that's about it for now. I'm already eating food. Already drink. That's whack. Hot your Vegas cheap. Look at this. Cheap. And they got dollar beers. Welcome to my video, Shayna. I love this.
I don't think he spoke much English.
Yeah, I don't think he did either.
He understood slow life though.
Oh, Jesus.
Understand?
He scared the shit out of me, dude.
You got it?
Are you fast?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, there's one over there too. Look how big this one is. Look to your right.
That's literally as tall as me. Oh, yo, I could use some water. 5:20 a.m. Saturday, August 17th. We're going again. Took a minute detour. Well, like a 12-hour nap. Like a 12-hour nap. It's fine. We're doing great. We're doing really good. Vegas is treating us well. It's fine. Okay.
We're lying.
Well, yeah, when you guys were like, let's get up at 5 a.m., I was like, what the fuck? I was like, that seems wild, but okay. And I was like, oh no, it'll be awake. It'll be nice.
And we got you.
Yeah. Got mad, but it's okay.
By the time we got
I think we should.
There's many shows. Search show, comedy show,
Wow.
show.
Look at that, though. That's so sparkly and pretty. I gotta go to it. Wow. Wow, we're in the Bellagio. This place is like a royal castle.
I'm so sorry that my time is off, but I can't move on if we're still gonna talk. Is it wrong for me to not want?
Did we make it to the pool? Oh my god, cute.
I'm good at keeping my distance. I know that you're the feeling I'm missing really now. That I hate to
The cheeks up here, not the cheeks down. Thank you. All right. I have a very itty bitty list of like how to make Vegas cheap tips. Tip number 1, go to dive bars. They're super cheap. Tip number 2, probably don't gamble. If you're not big on gambling, I wouldn't gamble here. The drinks are so cheap. Look at this right here. 50-cent beers. You can get dollar beers, $2 vodkas, and they're free if you just sit at the gambling machine and don't put your money in there. You just gotta give her $1 for bringing it back. Then you can get all the top soap. Oh, look how pretty this store is. Oh, I love that. Okay, sorry, you get free booze, so if you don't gamble, then it's really cheap. Number 2 is a lot of sightseeing, and it's all free. You can just go walk hotel to hotel, and it's super nice. Tip number 4. I don't drink the sink water, I don't know. Save money on water bottles. If you have a strong stomach. Yeah, that's probably it. Ooh, it's ice. Oh my god. probably should have like taken a video of it before I ate it, but but it was good.
Get you, but I hold on. Everything means nothing. Everything means nothing, babe. I'm trying to move on, forget you, but I hold on. Everything means nothing if I can't have you.
This whole thing is Alice in Wonderland themed.
Party, trying my best to meet some.
Hi. I'm so curious to see this video.
He's falling in love to our song.
Good, it's open. Let me in.
The view from the 22nd floor.
I need to touch you.
I need to touch you. So sparkly and nice.
He's like, I have a camera right
Okay.
on me, look at
We're going to the frickin' pool at the Flamingos Hotel, and we just came down with water bottles, and they told us we couldn't have water bottles, so we went all the way up to the 22nd floor to put them back. And I just got back down, and he's like, oh, is that a camera? You can't have that. And I was like, oh my god, why didn't they tell me? So we're going, literally we've been trying to get in the pool for like 2 hours. Now we have to go all the way back up to the 22nd level, drop off all my shit, and then come back, and I can't take any vlogs in there. It's okay, whatever. I don't even care. He was so nice too. He literally did not want to make me do it. Like I was like begging. I was like, please, I just went up there. Like it's not even like I won't even take video. I just don't want to fucking walk up there again. Like please don't make me. And he made me like point out the security guy that said that it was fine. And apparently the one that told me it was fine was like the newest guy who didn't know what he was doing. Fuck. I was like, can I retry? He's like, I'm so sorry. There's literally a camera pointing at me like you have to go. It's fine. It's fine. Jeez. Wow. We got 50-cent beers. We were at the pool all day. Decided to regroup, shower, get some beers. Now we're exploring again.
I'm so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love.
Oh, cute ass little fake home. Looks like a little city. Alright, we got our Starbucks. We're regrouped. We're ready for day 3? Day 3 in Vegas. Also, I just have to say traveling point number 1. Leave your purse at home. You can make your scarf into a purse. I'm so psyched right now. Quick YouTube degree on how to make clothes or whatever, and boom. I got a purse that took up no space. And later it's gonna be my headband. And it's gonna be a scarf when I get home. It's quite the life. Hey, there's the pool that we went to yesterday, but apparently I wasn't allowed to bring my freaking GoPro in. We rented one of those, I'll point with my straw, those little blue chair cabanas. We got a cabana boy. It was only like $240 for the rental, but the $200 comes off if you spent $200 in food. So really it was like 40 bucks for it and then $200 in food and drink, which we spent promptly. So that was super nice. What a cute pool. Big old flamingos. Wow. Welcome to New York, New York. That's so nice. That's so impressive. Oh my god, that's so neat. Should have came with us. Oh my god. A real life castle. More casinos, casinos, casinos. God, these are so cute. There's an itty bitty Las Vegas sign and a long ass line of people trying to take a photo with it. Yikes. Welcome to Las Vegas. Ooh, are you winning?
No.
Uh oh. Nightly Adventures brought us to Fremont Street. Wow. thing. That is so funny. Fabulous downtown Las Vegas. Oh my god. Yeah, it's really busy.
It's really weird, like
Las Vegas is such a wild place. This is one of the oldest hotels in Las Vegas. It was made in 1941, I believe. Wow. That's incredible. Wait, that's... It's our last day in Vegas. Sad face.
what if we just keep walking towards the mountain?
Just never stop.
Yeah.
Just go straight to the
Go
mountains.
back.
We're... Yeah, that's cute. Where's the sign? Oh. Damn. That's far away. Yeah. Elvis Presley Boulevard. That's pretty neat.
All day.
Neato. Elvis Presley Boulevard. We're on our way to Circus, and then we have the Stratosphere, and I think that means we hit every single hotel on the strip. Free sightseeing. Cheers. Damn, Vegas. What? Oh, the pool guy.
Damn, your house is there.
Riki Tiki sushi, all you can eat. You get a drink, specialty sushi rolls, dessert. Bitch, I'm living my best life. We just got tattoos, now we got sushi, and I'm so happy. Also, this place is beautiful. Wow. This restaurant is incredible. Oh my god, look how big this is. Oh, cute! Oh my god! Here's a little tour of Riki Tiki, but oh, that's so cute. Okay, that was loud. I was gonna talk about how nice this bathroom was, but that was really loud. That's okay though. This room's got a whole playroom.